I got one. There's one. There is one. I got a fish. There we go. The skunk is off. And that is a decent bass. I don't have any pliers with me. And it's about a three pounder. So I'm gonna put it back in the water, let it take some line. I'm gonna go grab some pliers. There we go. It's about 2 pounds. Let's get these pliers. Oh man, I was even contemplating being done for the day. There we go. He's off. So about 2 pounder. Really nice fish. His lips are red. It's really cold. I want to not keep him out too long. There's a quick photo. Yay! There's one. Just caught another one. Yeah, there's definitely a fish on. Don't have my chest mount on, but second one today. Oh my. This is a striped bass, I think.
Mine, I can. Let me do another one.
All right. It's a little chilly.
Okay, here you go.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, that sucks. I don't think I've ever seen that before. My jerkbait just broke off. So, out here fishing, the wind just picked up about an extra 10 miles an hour. Snow's going diagonally, hitting my face, but it's so small that it doesn't really matter. Still, you have to catch a fish. I don't know for sure what to use because I feel like it's a little too windy for a crankbait.